Who's this? What's your name? Oh, look at you. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. You got our chair all sandy. Oh no. I'm gonna go take some video of your sister and her cousins. Otherwise known as Uncle Kevin and Amber.
Known as Olivia.
It's so funny.
Emily and Riley.
Let's go see. Who's this? No. Hi, Nat. How are you? Beautiful day here, huh?
Beautiful day. And here's your photographer.
Hi there. What a wonderful day. 2020. Horrible year. Making the best of it. This has been a very good day. Beautiful
And
weather.
Who's missing? Oh no. Somebody's missing. Bridgie.
Let's go find Bridgie. I think I have an idea where she is. Do you know where Bridgie is? Where's Bridgie?
In the ocean on one of the surfs.
Oh, let's go find her. She's on one of those surfies. Bridget is down here. She got a boogie board and she has not stopped with it since the moment she got it. And I think I see her. I think I see her. Bridgie! Bridgie! What's up, girl? How are you? You got a boogie board? Boom! What a beautiful day, huh? What? Show us, show us. Ho-ho! Boy, good one. Who's this? Oh my goodness. Who's this? Wow. Look at you. Unbelievable. Not you. Who's this? Woohoo! Olivia Ranger Stink. Yeah. Get ready, get ready. What a day. Oh my goodness! Look at you, beautiful! Look at those waves out there, boy. They're big today. Big waves. Woohoo! Big waves, right? Look at you. How are you? Big waves out there, be careful. Oh, you doing ballet out here? Dun, 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 dun. Here comes Bridgie. Look out, it's Bridgie! Look out, it's Bridgie! Oh wow, look at you. Alright, go. Who's over here? We got the moms are chatting. Hi everyone, moms. What's going on over here? Emily, what's up? Sand crabs are tiny.
Where'd you get them?
It's a tiny to make a camera. Taking a picture of you, alright with that? Taking a video, are you okay with that? Alright. Riley, how are you? Say hi. Say hi. It's chaos. beautiful day. Oh, Brittany, you're getting brave, girl. Oh, look out. There she goes. There she goes. Good job. Ah! What? I bring stuff to get good pictures of you guys.